Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a more.
Okay, good morning. I do not know where this vlog is started. Maybe this is a whole nother vlog. So if it is, good morning. Happy November the 5th, which is a Tuesday. I can't believe it's already November. But, okay, like I said, okay, if this is another vlog, then welcome. Welcome back to a new vlog. This is your girl, Brittany Nicole. On this one, I'm going to be doing haul at home haul items that I got for Christmas to start doing my Christmas decoration. Just a few pieces. I still gotta get my Christmas decoration down. I need to go ahead and put my Halloween stuff up. I have to throw some of my pumpkins away, but I have not, which is the pumpkins that's outside, not my other ones. But I need to get rid of the fall stuff, I guess. I don't want to decorate too early, but I don't want to decorate too late because it seems like once Christmas is here, it's over with. Decoration have to come down. So I guess I'm gonna start. It's gonna take me a couple of weeks to get this done. So I'm gonna start basically take everything down, do an overall clean of everything, and then I start decorating. So I will start decorating on next week possibly, because I'm gonna take this week to do the cleaning. But that's pretty much it. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And while you are here, if you do like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. We would love you here. This channel we do lifestyle vlogs, travel, home decor, family, just a little bit of everything. But hey, if you are here, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, and if you are current, you know, just back, please still like, comment, and share. But let's get started. Some of the stuff I do have, I did get a few pieces from Target. I don't think I have everything in here from Target, but I did get this from the little bullseye section. It's a little gingerbread container. It's a novelty ceramic container. I got this for $5. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it at. I think I'm gonna put it in my coffee station. I don't know yet, but it's cute. It's a little gingerbread house. And then my son, he picked up this little Christmas tree ornament. He said it matches the house, so he got this. This was $1. This was $5 from the bullseye section. Now starting with at home. Let's see. And this stuff is wrapped up. This is the Elf on the Shelf Welcome to North Pole sign. It was $4.99. And it's gonna go in the game room. I should wrap the stuff back up. Oh, some angel wings I got to go on my tree. I just want some different ornaments to mix on my tree. And I'm actually gonna incorporate green this year on my tree. And I got two. There's another one wrapped up in here, but I'm not gonna take it out. So I got two angel wings. My daughter picked out this macaron pillow. Why, I don't know. I think this thing was $14 for a macaron pillow. That's what she wanted. It's pink. She loves everything pink. Then I got some towels for the kitchen to incorporate some green. I don't usually do the traditional red and green Christmas colors. I will kind of incorporate, I'm definitely incorporating green this year, but red, you might see that here and there because of the candles, but I don't really do the red. Or maybe with candy canes or something like that. But I got these Christmas tree towels. I thought they was cute. They was $4.99. What are these? Oh. And then my daughter got this. This was a rose she wanted. Why, I don't know, but she got this. It was $2.99. I'm gonna wrap that back up. She want it now. And then I got, this is gonna be the green that I'm incorporating on my tree. I got these velvet Christmas ornaments. Got this one. I got 3 of these and 3 or 4 of these. And I got some candy canes because I'm planning on, ooh, they trying to come loose. Lord have mercy. It is a 4 count, right? No, it's a 5 count of these. I'm gonna put these in the game room. But like I said, I got these. I got 3 of these. And they were so pretty. I thought that was really, really pretty. I need to get some more because I only found 6. For some reason, this green color is not, you can't really find it in the store. So I got 3 of these. Oh, and I got 4 of these. I was right, I got 4 of these. And then my daughter picked these out for hers tree in her room. Got all those. That's it for that. And then we got, oh, my lighting, because it's currently raining outside. I think she wrapped most of this stuff. And then we got this. It was cute. It is a Merry Christmas mug. It actually lights up. I did not know it light up, so that's really cute. This was, I believe, $10 for this. Yeah, $9.99. Still raining. You want your pillow, Shayla? Want your pillow in your robe? I'm sure it did, Daddy. And then I also got this, which I thought was cute. This one doesn't light up. This one lights up. But this, oh my goodness. Shayla, we're gonna take this one back. It's broke. It's the little snowman arm is broke, so I'm actually gonna have to take it back to the store.
Oh no.
And it was so cute. Hopefully they got another one, but it's broken. It wasn't broken when I bought it.
So it's still raining.
Yeah, it's still raining. It wasn't broken when I bought it, but I'm gonna take this back. And it was wrapped up, so I'm like, really? So yeah, this is definitely going back. But I see his little arm is a little off. Like, so that's broke. But I would definitely be taking that one back. So. But that is it for the Christmas haul. I will be getting some more items. Like I said, with that green, these green ornaments, they are really, these velvet like ornaments are a little hard to find in the store. So I'm actually gonna have to order some. I've already put them in my cart. I'm gonna order them. But when I do go return these to this store, because this is gonna be a different store that I'm going to, I'm gonna see if they have any on the shelf. If so, I'm gonna get all that they have on the shelf. If they're not damaged, like some of them was damaged. But I'm gonna get all of them that they have on the shelf. But yeah, I love this color. I think it's gonna be really pretty with the black and the gold and some white or cream. Because I want to do more of a looks Christmas. So yeah, that is it. So I have to get to work. It is time to hit the clock. So I'm gonna hop off of here. And like I said, this vlog will probably be a mixture of cleaning, getting, you know, taking down the fall decoration. I was gonna leave some up. I might leave a little bit up, but then again, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and take down everything, because if I leave some up, that means I gotta get my tote back out. And I really want all my Halloween fall stuff put up. So I don't think I'm really gonna decorate for Thanksgiving. But we are celebrating Thanksgiving. But I just want my Christmas decoration up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here and get to work. And like I said, this will probably be a week-long vlog. You just follow along with me. Of course, I work from home, so it won't be much going on other than me cleaning. But I will be taking you all with me when I go to the store to see if I can find some more Christmas ornaments. I do need to hit up Hobby Lobby. I did go to Michael's. I wasn't happy with some of the stuff that Michael's was, I don't know. I didn't really find nothing, but it is what it is. I do have to check Hobby Lobby, and then they do have a store up here called the Christmas store. So I do need to check that out. That is located up here in Texas. So I will be checking that out. But just getting pieces from here and there. Target, they had some alright stuff. I'll probably get my Christmas lights or stuff for my kids' trees. But I didn't see nothing that I want for my tree. They had the velvet ornaments, but not the color scheme that I'm going for. But other than that, that is it. So I'm gonna hop off of here. Like I said, I'll try to pick it back up because later this week, actually tomorrow, is my son's 10th birthday. So I will probably be picking the camera up to film that because you know he wants to be on camera. So let me go ahead and get to work, and I will talk to you guys later.
Oh, yeah. I'm just, my battery gonna go there. Come on. Come on, sir.
Okay. This is
your
the Pizza
Hold up,
Slam.
Bryson, hold up. This is your 10th birthday. And what did you get?
A Pizza Slam Cobra tag.
It's
From
what is
Mattel.
that? Hot Wheels?
Yeah, from Mattel.
Okay.
I have
Turn around. so you can
marble
record.
one from STEM Scopes.
He loves anything that deals with building stuff and stuff like that. So he wanted that. That was one of his
Wait,
gifts.
there's something in here.
Ain't nothing but a box. It's an empty box. Come on. Keep going. My baby about to die. And then he got one more. Let me see.
The light up air rocket.
This is National Geographic too, where you can do this. And
Yeah.
this is film project.
STEM Scopes.
And then this is his birthday cake. He also got a shark truck, but a megalodon truck, but
He took it upstairs.
he took it upstairs. My bear's about to die, so I don't know if he's gonna eat. Ooh, I don't even know if he's gonna have it back down here before the battery go dead. But
birthday.
yeah, we finna cut the birthday cake, but we're about to cut the cake and eat cake, and that'll be okay. Here he is. He's coming back. All right, Bryson, what's up?
I got the Megalodon monster truck.
Hold it while I can see it.
Instead of Bone Shaker.
Okay.
Bone Shaker was my favorite
It is
though.
his 10th birthday, and he is happy with his gifts, and then he wants to go eat Jollibees for his birthday. So we're gonna go eat that on Saturday. So today is November the what? November
6.
and it's your birthday. All right.
Peace.